Are you looking for something very natural and very luxurious feel of wood in your home? Then veneer is the way to go. Welcome to Elysian Design Studio, and this is the third video of the series, the top 5 finishes that we recommend to a client. So what is veneer? So veneer is a natural substance which is obtained from hardwood trees such as oak wood or maple. Now it gives the same touch and feel and the look of solid wood, and it is affordable than solid wood as well. So why veneer? Good question, right? So here are the 4 advantages of using veneer for your woodwork. The first one is because of its appearance. It gives a very natural appearance. The grains, the wood grains coming after you have installed veneer on your wardrobe shutters, it's unmatchable. Even the synthetic surfaces like laminate cannot achieve that. The second point is it's cost efficient. It's mostly affordable than the solid wood finishes available in the market. Number 3, sustainability. It is sustainable since it's directly obtained from wood and it's eco-friendly. And number 4, its versatile nature allows it to be used on any types of surfaces such as irregular surfaces or curved surfaces. There is no doubt that veneer will give you the same look and feel of a solid wood, but just keep these 2 things in mind. Number 1, veneer surfaces are prone to moisture damage, and second point is they require a good amount of maintenance. So if you're keeping these 2 things in mind and you are ready to have that solid wood look in your home, just go for veneer. Well, this was the end of the veneer surface topic, and I hope that you guys like this video. If you guys have liked this video, then just drop a like, and if you have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and we'll get back to them. And stay tuned for our next surface, that is a Duco finish.